Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can ask any question to a web page using LangChain. So this is the web page we're going to look at. So it's an article about how you can buy IHG hotel status. So let's say instead of reading the whole blog post, you just want to ask targeted question. So what you could do is define the page URL. And then from LangChain, we're importing the web-based loader. This will essentially scrape the whole page for you. Once it scrapes the whole page, it's going to add something called document in a list. And then you use the documents to feed into your LLM model, ask the question, and then the LLM model can give you the answer. So we're going to quickly take a look at this example. So let's say we're using the URL here. And the question we're asking the LLM is, how much would buying diamond status cost me? And just to make sure it does not go on a tangent, I am telling it to keep the answer limited to 100 words. And then I'm printing out the answer here. Okay, so let's go and quickly run it. And then you're gonna see, here you go. So here's the answer. It says that buying diamond status through IHG costs either 640 or 800, depending on any discounts applied. If you have an eligible IHG credit card, blah, blah, blah. So let's quickly take a look at the, so if you look at 640 to 800, yeah. So if you look at the, text here, it does say 640 to 800. So you got the correct answer. Now let's ask another question. Let's see what we can ask it. For all of 2025. So let's ask it, how long would my diamond status last for? Okay, so let's just go ahead. If you earn diamond status now, how long will it last me? Let's try to answer this question. Yeah, it will be valid for the remainder of 2024 and all of 2025. So yeah, that is correct. And you see that right over here. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can.